I had gotten to the point where I couldn't walk more than maybe 100 meters without excruciating pain. 2 years ago, when I started to research knee clinics in Belgium, I found this one in Roeselare. And the research that I found indicated that it was one of the best in Belgium, which means to me it's one of the best in the world. I'm incredibly pleased with what has happened so far. The surgeon was world-class. The technology that he uses was world-class. The nurses were excellent. The room was excellent. And all the physical therapists have been superb. And everybody here speaks English. I could walk on 2 crutches the day of the surgery. And I was walking without crutches 3 or 4 days afterwards, though the physical therapist asked me to use at least 1 crutch. My knee is stable, my knee is strong, the surgery went well. Now it's up to me to do the physical therapy. And if there are any patients out there who can't walk and they're wondering where to do this, come to Roeselare. I'm serious, come.